Okay, so welcome guys. So keep solving our physics subject GRE, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and okay, and click like button. So 80. So basically 80 is okay. 80 question said that a tube of water is traveling half c relative to lap friend when a beam light is traveling in the same directions as a tube printer. What is the speed of light in the water related to a lap friend? So basically, you have a tube of water traveling relatively lap friend with a beam light traveling in the same direction as a tube in turn. So there's a tube. Okay. Okay. So all you need to know is the water, right? Since it's C/2. So in the water, so the slide in water is C/2 2 divided by the index. So index is this one. He says somebody in index is sorry. So light in water just C/4. So it's 3C/4. And what we need is the addition in spatial relativity. So this is the addition in the addition of speed in the spatial relativity. So we have C/2 plus 3C/4 plus this times a 3/8. So it's 11 4 times 6. So it's 10/11c. 10/11c. So this is the speed, the light in the water, and this is the water corresponding tube. So what we just need this. Okay. So the answer is D. Okay, and 81. Basically, okay. So let me write down. So this L squared is L plus 1 is h bar. And this Lz acting on the spherical harmonics is mh bar. Okay, so this tells you that this one is 6h squared. This tells you that L is equals to 2, and the n should be minus 1. So it's this one. Okay, so which one is the answer? The answer is B. The answer is B. Okay, so 82 said that you have electrons states and beta will spin down, up, and one spin up, one spin down, and the validation triplet. So triplet is what? Triplet has which one is a triplet? Okay, so alpha 1. Okay, so alpha is spin up, beta is spin down. Okay, so let me see. So totally we will have, so remember that we have 2 spin half. So the result will be 3 triplet and 1 singlet. Okay, and the alpha is spin up. So spin up, beta is spin down. Okay, so for the singlets, everyone knows this is the singlet. Since the total spin is 0. So this is the singlet. Okay, so this is the second one, right? This is the second one, and the rest is just the rest are the triplet. So the answer is the first one and the third one. The first one and the third one. Basically, once you know which one is a singlet, then the rest is just easy. So the answer is the first one and the third one. Answer is D. Answer is D. Because this is the second one. Okay, so 83 is also easy, probably. Okay, so 83 just ask about the eigenstate for Sx. So below you know sigma x is this one. So basically, what you need to find is what is the eigenvector for the sigma x is -1. So if this is 1 minus 1, then if you times this, then you can check this is -1, 1 minus 1. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So it's 1 should be spin plus minus spin down and do a normalization. Okay, so which one is the answer? C is the answer. C is the answer. Okay, 84 energy level for n equals to 1, n equals to 2 atomic hydrogen is the shown 3 transitions on label A, B, C, and which transition? Okay, so the possible dipole transition need to satisfy delta L non-zero, and delta M can be Z. So this is probably this is the only constraint. So A is not okay because A comes from L equals to 0 to L equals to 0. So A is not okay. Okay, and BC and BC are okay. BC are okay. So answer is D. Answer is D. Oh, by the way, and delta M need to be 0 plus minus 1. Okay, so and so the answer is D. Answer is D. Okay, I think it's enough for this video, and I will see you guys for the next video.